Be advised, the opinions and views of the hosts and guests do not reflect those of the station.
Good morning, everyone. You're watching the Business Portal, your gateway to business trends and opportunities. Welcome to Peaceabilities live here in GNN. I'm your host, Arman Benko of the Colayco Foundation and KSK Co-op.
Cash, cold, that's what I need.
This is the show that discusses your ability to earn and manage your peso and the possibilities of making that same peso work for you, your peso abilities. From Colayco Foundation's financial literacy, we always espouse the two sources of income, active income and passive income. Our topic is just that, an endeavor you can get into for both active and passive sources of income. This week's episode is definitely again of your interest. We shall talk about network marketing. Again, why another run on this topic? Simply put, madami na ang yumaman at napanatili at naprotektahan ang yaman nila at marami din ang nawala ang yaman na kinita or yung iba naloko pa. The purpose of the show today to demystify and give proper, correct, valid, and timely information to increase your knowledge and be wiser in your decisions and eventual actions regarding networking and, of course, managing your personal finances and making your money grow. We are privileged to have in the show leaders, founders of one of the most, if not the most successful network marketing company in the Philippines today, Alliance in Motion Global, who has been growing consistently the past 5 years, had more than 1 billion pesos of gross sales in 2010 alone. That is why they are one of the top corporate taxpayers in the Philippines in their category. Their president awarded one of the top 10 entrepreneurs for 2010 by Entrepreneur Magazine. Let us welcome AIM Global's visionary president, Ed Cabantog. And equally contributing to AIM Global's success is their vice president for finance, the mentor of mentors, Francis Miguel. And last but not least, AIM Global's Vice President for Marketing, Mr. Excitement, Mr. John Asperin. Welcome to the show, gentlemen.
Good morning, Arman. Good morning to the televiewers of Peaceabilities.
Here in GNN. And Francis.
Magandang umaga, Arman. Magandang umaga sa mga tagapangkilik ng Peaceabilities.
And John, your first time here.
Yes, it's my first time.
First
Good
time
morning.
dahil last time si Doc Ed and Francis gave us the privilege also of guesting here last year. Kaya ikaw ang uunahin ko,
Okay.
John. A little background because we know Ed is a medical doctor. Are you still practicing your profession as a medical doctor?
More
Ed?
of charitable works on
Charitable
medical
works.
mission, mga charitable works ang practice ko ngayon.
You are a family medicine?
Family medicine.
Family medicine. And of course, I still can remember an engineer working for a big telco company na lahat yata gustong pumasok dun sa big telco na yun basta in the field of technical or engineer. You left
right.
that company.
Yeah, I fired my boss.
You
8
fired
months
your
later.
boss. Oh, I remember. You fired your boss.
8 months later.
8 months later because of this
Network marketing.
industry, network
Yes,
marketing.
right.
How about Mr. John Asperin, Mr. Excitement
Yes.
of AIM Global? Yes. Yeah, a little background. Where did you finish school and what discipline did you take up?
Well, good morning muna, Arman. Good morning sa mga televiewers and especially sa mga distributors ng AIM Global. Regarding background ko, physical therapy talaga ako by... yung student pa lang kasi ako, na-invite
Physical
na ako.
therapy.
Yes,
Physical therapy.
physical therapist. And then, since 1998, estudyante pa lang ako nun, na-invite ako sa ganitong business.
So, network marketing.
Yes. And different companies nag-invite sa akin. And syempre, katulad ng marami, hindi ako interesado. But then, nung nakita ko talaga yung kitaan, doon ako naging interesado.
Doc Ed, ano ba itong mabilisan? We discussed this last time, pero for our segment today and for the purposes of proper grounding, what is network marketing?
Basically, network marketing, as what would my partners coin this, it's a channel of distribution
Okay.
The only difference with traditional channel of distribution with traditional companies is that they use multimedia like television, billboards, magazine, and newspaper,
Endorsers.
and distributing their products from the middlemen down to the retail outlet down to the customers. Instead of doing all of those things, we've done away with those things. So tayo direct from the manufacturer to customer. Ang middleman natin yung mga distributors. The budget that is supposed to be given to the Trimedia and the endorsers, binibigay natin doon sa mga distributors in terms of compensation when they build a huge network and when they build a huge customer base.
So your network is also your customer base.
Yes, the distributors are also our customers, and the customers of our distributors are also our customers.
A brief history, Francis. You were mentioning to me kanina the rise of network marketing of before we got on air. Ano bang brief history ng network marketing as far as your research and experiences?
Well, yung latest book na shinare ko sa'yo kanina, 8 or 10 years ago, network marketing is an underground business. Parang ganon. Parang professionally, medyo nahihiya ka pa. Yung di mo maisabi ng malakas. Anong kumpanya mo? Parang di mo masabi. Pero ngayon, 8 years later, iba na, maingay na. Kasi ang daming results, ang daming proven system. At marami nakaka-resulta. All walks of life.
Dito lang ba yan sa Pilipinas, Francis?
I think sa buong mundo. Halos.
Sa buong mundo. You were mentioning in America, iba ang dating nila kapag
Yeah, pag
sa
sinabi
network.
mong MLM or you're into network marketing business, automatic agad makikita nila sa yung profile ng isang lifestyle. Para artista. Kompleto from cars to houses, everything. And lifestyle. Total freedom. Actually, pati oras. Maraming
Lalo na
panahon.
oras.
Oo.
Right. John, is this the one that attracted you? Ito bang nagpa-silaw, nagpa-akit, about network marketing? Because you said, estudyante ka pa lang?
Yes.
So, hindi mo na-practice ang physical therapy?
Never gonna practice.
Never na-practice?
Yes.
But
Estudyante-
natapos mo yung physical therapy?
Yeah, gumraduate din ako.
Gumraduate?
But then, I realized na kung mag-abroad ako para mag-work, parang para makukuha yung mga dreams ko, napakahirap sa dami namin. So, nung nakita ko itong business na to, pwede rin pala ako mag-abroad. Yun nga lang, on a different scale, different level. And maganda dito kasi, alam mo, nagiging business person ka, hindi ka nagiging employed. So, ito yung nakita kong magandang career.
So, collectively, among the three of you, almost 40 years of experience, no? Pag i-add yung from our last powwow last year, more than 10 years, more than close to 20.
Almost 14 years.
14 years.
Si Francis ang pinakamatanda pag ang pinag-usapan ay network marketing.
14 years,
12.
12 years, and also 12 years. So collectively, almost 40 years of experience. Share us quickly, personally, yung mga unang yung mga experience. Doc Ed, you're a medical doctor already.
Yes.
You are practicing your profession then,
Yes.
12 years ago.
Yes.
Why get into network marketing?
Unlike what my partners have said a while ago na sila nakita nila yung beauty ng network marketing because maganda yung lifestyle, maganda yung kitaan. Back then on my medical practice, I was earning good income. Pero ang wala sa akin during that time, yung time freedom.
Time freedom.
I was earning good income sa medical profession, kaya lang hindi ko maiwan-iwan yung clinic, hindi ko maiwan-iwan yung pasyente, hindi ako makapagbakasyon. Sabi ko, ang gusto ko yung nakapagbakasyon ako every week. Yung may panahon ako para sa sarili ko, may panahon ako para sa church, which is hindi ko magawa dahil masyado kong kinarir yung aking profession.
Medical
Now,
doctor.
Monday to Saturday, I have around 6 clinics every day. Nagsisimula yung clinic ko ng alas 7 ng umaga, natatapos ng alas 11 ng gabi in 6 different clinic sites. So wala na akong oras. Ang pahinga ko, linggo na lang, tulog na lang ang ginagawa ko pagkalinggo. So when I encountered network marketing, sabi ko, okay, ito yung magandang buhay kasi nga, maraming oras ang pwedeng ibigay sa'yo. Doon ako na-attract. And when I was first doing network marketing, grabe. Lahat na ng hirap na pwedeng maranasan, na-experience ko na.
Bago yung hirap si Francis muna dahil iba ang dating ni Francis Miguel. Akala ko nga ang profession niya before artista eh. Pero
Nag-quit na sa office.
nagkwenta siya showbiz. You were an engineer before in a big telco company.
Employed ako.
Anong motivation mo? John was exposed early. Doc Ed was time and Monday to Saturday. Yes, the prestige of a medical doctor. Sa'yo, Francis, what was the parang the catch or ano nagpahikayat sa'yo to get into network marketing?
Una, ang sponsor ko, tatay ko, father ko.
Tatay
So,
mo ang
siya nag-invite sa akin.
siya nag-invite sa'yo.
So,
no
during
choice
that time, no choice, di ka pwede mag-quit. Pangalawa, we had difficulty making ends meet. Kasi sweldo as an employee, syempre, pagkakasyahin mo kung magkano yung sweldo mo. So, una, parang gusto mo lang na extra income. If you make like at least the same money that you make full-time, at least you're working smart, hindi working hard. So, doon lang. Hindi ko akalain na pag lumaki, exponential yung growth. A year later, ibang klase eh. Napansin ko parang times 5 na sweldo ko ang kinikita ko sa part-time compared dun sa full-time income. So, yun. I went full-time
After
after.
8 months nakita mo, lagpas na ba?
Oo.
Lagpas na nung,
Sobrang nag-e-enjoy na ako. Kaya inuulit ko lang yung ginagawa ko hanggang sa lumaki na lumaki.
Mr. Excitement, John Aspirin, bakit maganda yung ano yung nakita mo maganda dun sa network marketing? I'm sure you were, 14, 12 years younger then, out of college. Ano yung nagpa-excite sa'yo? Aside dun sa kitaan,
Yes.
minus the pera muna, saka natin sila silawin dun sa pera. Ano ang nagpa-excite sa'yo dun sa network marketing?
Well, dalawang bagay. Una, ang sarap kasi ng feeling nare-recognize ka. Hindi lang parang ordinary person or employee. Nare-recognize ka na sa achievement mo, marami ka natulungan tao, kaya kami mga na-achieve. At the same time, kaya maganda yung ganitong business kasi normally, networking, ang produkto maganda talaga. Kapag maganda yung company, maganda yung products, doon kami na-inlove sa produkto na hindi normally nabibili sa retail store lang.
Pero nakita ko, I visited your offices both officially and spyingly visiting the offices last year. Laging maraming tao, laging maingay. Kasi ikaw yung branded Mr. Excitement.
Mr.
Bakit ganun sa network marketing?
Well,
Sa mga kumpanya?
normally kasi sa ganitong business, since pag nakita ng mga distributors o ng mga first-timers, yung success ng different distributors, na-excite sila na yung dreams nila pwedeng makuha nila dito. And pag nakita nila na kumikita ng malaki, na-achieve nila, and they're very happy, na-excite sila. Ako nga, kaya ako tinawag ng Mr. Excitement kasi nung estudyante ako, kukunti maniniwala sa akin kasi wala pa ako experience. Never ako naging employed. Wala pa akong pagmamalaki. Pero ang advantage ko naman, since bata pa, excited naman ako. Ayan. So doon ko dinala na na-excite ako sa future na mangyayari sa akin, sa dreams ko na makukuha ko dito. That is why marami nag-join kasi na-excite sila eh. Nakikita nila yung motivation na pwede lang makuha yung mga dreams sila in a very short span of time.
You all came from different companies.
Yes.
Kung maganda, kung ganito kaganda pala yung una kong mga narinig about network marketing, because the company that you own and represent now is not the first company that you first joined in as a network marketer. Ano nangyari dun sa mga dati? Ano ba ang kailangan tingnan sa magandang network marketing company?
Arman, it's like getting to know yung trends. Parang kung gagawa kami ng kumpanya ngayon, tas ang ibibenta namin pager, medyo luma na yun. Marami nang nakinabang sa pager at alam nila medyo may obsolete na yung technology na yan. So dapat kapag maglalabas kami ng product, medyo tablet na. Ganon din sa network marketing. Yes, the industry is so great, pero nevertheless, yung mga una namin pinasukang company, may mga more or less loopholes din. May mga disadvantage din. Medyo hindi naka-focus sa Philippine market. Since the company was international,
Oo nga, kadalasan mga international companies.
kasi Arman, sa kanila nagsimula yan. It's actually started in the US way back 50 years ago. So,
Ang network
marketing. So, marami nagsunuran. So, most of the MLM companies right now, direct selling companies right now, came from US. And if you know that it came from US, yung products niya, yung marketing plan niya, yung culture niya are US-based. And there are things that may work in US that may not work here in the
Asian
Philippines.
country like us, yes.
Kunwari, ang mga taga-US, pag bumili ng shampoo, galon-galon.
Right.
Pero sa Pilipinas, pag bumili ng shampoo, sachet-sachet. So, we need to adapt to the Philippine culture. Kaya nung nagkita-kita kami, sabi natin, why not create a company focus in the Philippine market first, then eventually going global.
Kaya yung company that you
So,
set
the
up.
company na naisip ni Francis Miguel was called AIM Global, which stands for Alliance in Motion Global, which is an active name, gumagalaw, in motion.
Right. Francis, having a father as your, anong tawag nila ron?
Sponsor.
Or upline. I'm sure on a daily basis compared to John and Doc, even pag uwi mo, network marketing pa rin ang pinag-uusapan yun sa bahay. Ano naman ang dapat tingnan sa network marketing company as far as the financial admin is concerned? Because I understand you're the Vice President of Finance ng AIM Global. Ano ang dapat tingnan sa isang magandang kumpanya?
Bukod sa financial, stable.
Paano natin masasabing stable? Bakit nagfo-fold up yung mga iba?
Pag hindi ka na nagbibigay ng commission on time para sa mga distributors, lalo na kung deserve nila, unti-unti yan mawawala sila. Tatapangan na.
Sa AIM Global ba, how do you give out commissions? How often?
Yun nga, Arman, ang nakaka-excite dito, we give daily payout since a week namin mag-operate.
Again, Francis,
We give
mula
daily-
nung nag-umpisa
mula nung
kayo,
nag-umpisa kami, a week after, we distribute yung commission nila on a daily basis.
on a daily basis,
For the past 5 years.
for the past 5 years. Bakit yung iba weekly ang pinakamabilis na narinig ko, iba monthly pa? Sa inyo,
Yun yung bagong
daily.
innovation. Yeah, yun yung bagong innovation.
You did that on purpose?
Yes.
Kasi pera nila yan eh. So, ibigay mo na agad para makakita sila.
Kamusta ang financial standing ng kumpanya?
Maraming pera. As in, very liquid.
Very liquid. As far as the marketing, yung kasi iba-ibang sistema yan,
Yes.
Mr. Excitement dyan, ano? Iba-ibang sistema ang napag-aralan na research natin. Ano ang dapat tingnan sa isang network marketing company as far as the marketing plan or system is concerned?
Well, first of all, syempre, dapat very lucrative yung marketing system. Wherein yung distributor, makikita niya talaga na kaya niyang gawin to and mabilis niyang ma-realize yung mga dreams niya. And of course, dapat, hindi kailangan mataas yung quota or maintenance kasi there are times na may mga companies napakahirap tapusin yung maintenance pa lang.
Yung maintenance
Oo,
pala.
sobrang hirapan
Monthly
sila.
requirement.
Yes. So, sa system na kinrate namin, pinagsama-sama namin yung tatlong magagandang system or marketing plan. Meron tayo ditong stair-step, wherein yung distributor pwedeng ma-promote ng position.
Okay.
Meron tayo tinatawag na unilevel, wherein itong system na to, kahit one line ka lang, pag sinabing one line, isa lang na-invite mo, pwede kang kumita.
Pwede kang kumita. Okay.
Ang focus dito kasi para bumilis yung production ng grupo mo in terms of sales
Alright.
at pag-use ng products. Pero din kami tinatawag na matching system or yung mas kilala sa pangalang binary system.
Okay.
Na ito yung minsan nakahalin tulad sa pyramiding.
Okay.
Oo.
Ano mo na, sinapol mo na kagad.
Oo, diretso na kaagad. Kasi marami nagsasabi, pyramiding kasi yan eh.
Right.
Well, basically, pag sinabing binary kasi, yung itsura niya parang pyramiding ang dating. Pero ang totoo nun, yung system na to, yung bawat sales ng grupo mo sa left at right mo, kaya siya napaka-lucrative kasi ang focus ng tao, dalawa lang, left and right. Na wherein kapag na-match mo, pag sabing na-match, na-balance mo,
Sales.
yung sales ng grupo mo sa left and right mo, doon ka kumikita malaki. Wherein kapag naka-invite ka ng dalawa na masipag, na duplicate mo, ang laki talaga pwede mong kitain. Hindi mo na kailangan pang ma-promote para kumita ng malaking pera.
Okay. Our audience, you can join in our discussion by sending an opinion or a message or a question to 0917-853-7333. Please indicate your name and location so we can properly acknowledge you. Some of the advance messages that came in, let's try to address them para hindi mag-pile up. From Ian Lanes, ang MLM sa pagkaalam ko ay hindi investment company. Isa itong uring marketing company na nagbibigay ng opportunity sa lahat ng tao para kumita base sa marketing plan. Wala obligasyon ng kumpanya para magbalik ng kanilang pera dahil sa batas dapat ito ay may kaukulang produkto na maibalik sa bawat tao na gusto magtrabaho, magpamiyembro o sumapi dito. Maari mo itong ituring na negosyo o trabaho, depende kung paano mo ito gusto gawin. Siguraduhin lang natin na gusto natin ang produkto bago ka sumali sa kumpanya at gusto mo din ang paraan kung paano kumita. Huwag ka magnegosyo ng produkto na hindi naniniwala at gumagamit. Doc Ed, parang nag-seminar na ito si Ian Lanes.
Walang tanong eh.
Walang tanong. Nag-comment.
Nag-comment. It's a good comment.
Hindi siya investment.
Tama yun. It's actually a business. Kasi pag sabi mong investment, parang inaantay mong lumago yung,
Right.
yung pera mo on its own.
Right.
Pero sa atin, para ka lang bumili ng product.
Okay.
Just kunwari, bibili ka ng sapatos sa isang tindahan or bibili ka ng damit sa isang tindahan. Bumili ka lang, it so happen may business side. That when you refer people and when they reorder again or when they refer new customers, may commission system ka. So ganun ang network marketing.
Okay.
Tama si, ano to?
Ian.
Si Ian.
Lainez. Let's address two more text messages from Marites Atentar of Hong Kong. Anong dahilan at maraming naloloko sa networking, multi-level marketing? Anong ibig sabihin kaya ni Marites ng naloloko? Naloloko positively or negatively? Sagutin mo na lang on the positive side. Bakit maraming
Nababaliw.
sumasali dyan? Nababaliw.
Nababaliw, naloloko, yun ang term.
No.
Kasi minsan walang product, hindi value for money yung registration package nila.
Okay.
Minsan papel lang, minsan wala talaga.
Pangako.
Madalas walang opisina at panay pangako.
Right.
So, yun, maging aware kayo sa ganung mga kumpanya. Madali lang, mag-background check lang kayo and then bago kayo sumali.
How about sa AIM Global? Ano bang ilalabas kong pera? How much?
When you start, 7,980 members.
What do I get in return?
Well, automatic, magkakaroon ka ng 6,000 worth of products.
6,000 worth of
6,000
products.
worth of products. Hindi, pag binenta mo
Tangible
yun,
products.
tangible products. Pag binenta mo, halos bawi ka na. Tapos, insured ka pa for 200,000
Okay.
by accident. Pagkatapos, meron kaming tinatawag na scholarship program. Nakipagtaya pang AIM Global sa maraming school sa buong Pilipinas, wherein nagbibigay kami ng certificate. Itong certificate na to, pag member ka, nagbibigay kami ng discount yung mga schools. So, nakaganda kasi maraming students ngayon ang hindi nakakapag-graduate ng college or worse, hindi nakakapag-college. Eh, maganda nito, pag pumasok sila ng college, may certificate sila, discounted sila sa tuition free, right from the moment na nag-enroll sila hanggang sa graduate sila.
Yung certificate is applicable? Magagamit pa?
Yes. Provided there are new enrollees or transferees. And we have almost 100 na school tie-ups all over the Philippines.
So may value for money talaga doon sa perang binibigay nila.
That's right.
Okay. From Melchor Cayabyab, Marites Atentar, at kung mapapakita pa yung ibang pangalan, Sheni of Butuan, how do we know if networking is legal, not a scam? May pinapakita na SEC registration, sapat na ba ito? Ano ba ang mga dapat hanapin sa network marketing? Paano namin malalaman kung ito ay nanloloko or manloloko lang pala? Sasagutin niyo yan after we pause for a short break. Continue sending your questions or your opinion to 0917-853-7333. Feasibilities will be back.
I wanna be rich, full of love, peace, and happiness. People collectors bearing my phone. They bother me when I'm not at home. Ain't got no time to be fooling around.
Welcome back to Peaceabilities. Our episode is all about network multi-level marketing. From our hanging question galing kay Marites Atentar, Melchor Cayabyab at Sheni of Butuan, paano ba malalaman, Doc Ed, ang the illegal side o yung mga unscrupulous network marketing companies?
Tulad ng question ng mga guys from Butuan, of course, it needs to be registered with SEC.
Okay.
And then the products that you carry should be BFAD approved.
Okay.
So, mahirap magbenta ng products na hindi approved ng local FDA natin dito sa Pilipinas. And then, most importantly, dapat sound yung marketing plan. Kasi there are companies na naglalabas ng product na hindi nakukompute yung marketing plan, which is the great reason why eventually after 6 months to 8 months, nagsasara, nagpo-fold up kasi nag-overpay. So, if you're gonna look for good products na legal, company na legal, and then stable, dapat may konting track record. Mahirap mag-join doon sa mga first month pa lang yung company, second month pa lang, tapos wala pa yung opisina, kasi hindi mo pa nakikita yung mga may-ari. Unlike the company that we're representing, we have huge offices in Ortigas, we have branches in Cebu and in Davao. Our products are all registered with the local FDA here in the Philippines. Credible yung manufacturer namin sa US, na siya mismo nagbibigay ng US trip every year. And then sound yung marketing system. Just like yung sinabi ni Francis tsaka ni John, we've been paying out daily for the past 5 years.
Paano nyo pinabayad? Paano nyo na pumunta sila, pumipila sila sa office?
Yan yung advantage being a local company. Na kinumpira ko kanina sa international company. International company, they pay out every month.
Yes.
And
Cheque.
Cheque pa every month. So sa atin, daily, lahat ng productions ng buong grupo mo, namomonitor mo in your website. So nakikita mo yan, ilan yung na-produce na benta ng left group sales at ng right group sales, and then nakukompute yan automatically. And then at the end of the day, makikita mo yung income mo. Let's just say income mo for these days, 10,000. Pag gusto mo i-encash
In
yun,
one day lang yun, Doc Ed.
it can happen. May mga kumikita ng ganun, 10,000 in a day, 5,000 in a day. So kunwari, nakita mo
Hindi
yung
to promise, ha? Nang,
No, no.
kinita na to.
kinita na to, na mamomonitor mo real time. That's the good thing with having internet as one of our marketing tool. So lahat ng sales pinapasok sa website, sa internet, and then makikita mo yung benta ng buong grupo, and then kung gusto mo nang kunin yung in-cash mo lang, Arman, the following day, nasa ATM mo na siya.
Through ATM mo.
Through
kukunin.
ATM. So even without going to our office, pupunta ka lang sa pinakamalapit na ATM, withdrawin mo yung income mo. So that's the good thing about it. We've done away with the hassles of piling up dun sa pilahan sa counter just to get your check. Though you can also get your check kung gusto mo para meron kang prueba na kumita ka nga ng ganong kalaki. But still the same, with the ATM, may resibo, makikita mo yun.
Okay. Para magkaroon tayo ng pruweba na aside dun sa mga company owners ng Alliance in Motion.
Testimony na.
Oh. We have one of your, ano bang tawag sa kanila?
Distributors.
Distributors. The person, let's welcome Miss Michelle Go. Welcome to the show, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning. So, kinakabahan mo ba kayo?
Hindi naman po.
Hindi naman, okay. Yung pagpasok nyo sa network marketing industry, how did it all start?
2 years ago, when I was a student,
You were a student?
yes, 2 years ago, yung nag-invite sa akin, seatmate ko.
Okay.
Sabi niya, tara, business tayo, business tayo. Nung time na yon, nakafocus talaga ako sa pag-aaral ko. So siya, binaliwala ko lang siya. Pero nung time na yung eldest brother namin, na kumikita na siya, parang medyo naiengganyo na ako. Nasabi ko, ano ba to? Ano bang ginagawa nila? Bakit yung nag-invite sa akin, after 6 months, nakuha siya ng car. Tapos
Car?
yung, yes, car.
Tumaya sa loto? Bakit paano siya nakakuha ng car? May
Dun
boyfriend
sa,
siya mayaman?
dun sa mga, hindi, lalaki
Lalaki.
siya.
Lalaki?
Yes.
Baka may boyfriend na mayaman. Alam mo, uso ngayon yan.
Papa Jack.
So, dun sa mga in-earn niya dito sa business, sa AIM Global, yun yung pinangbili niya ng car niya. Brand new car. So, yung eldest brother ko naman, na like ko lang nililibre dati, tapos pabanjing-banjing lang, nung time na yon nag-earn siya. Sabi ko, paano nangyari yon? So, siya, yung seatmate ko, may nagkaroon ng car, kuya ko naman nag-earn na. So, sabi ko, bakit hindi ko siya i-check?
Right.
So, nung tinignan ko siya, medyo nagda-doubt pa ako kasi business, tapos small lang yung capital. Alam ko kasi, ang traditional business or any business, pag gusto mo ng malaki yung income mo, dapat malaki yung capital mo. Dito, maliit lang yung capital mo, pero kaya mong mag-earn ng malaki talaga.
John, yung sinabi ni Ma'am Michelle, maliit ang kapital, malaki ang kita. Is that the attraction sa network marketing? Para sa ordinaryong estudyante, sabi nga, you were a student before when you first got exposed to network marketing. Ganun ba talaga ang kalakaran? Maliit na kapital, malaki ang kita?
Yeah, traditionally kasi, that is correct. Kasi pag tatay ko ng business, napakalaking kapital. And dapat magaling ka sa management, kailangan marami ka stocks ng products. Dito, sa ganitong klaseng business kasi, nire-remove itong mga capital na to. Hindi mo na kailangan ng advertising, hindi mo kailangan ng mga stocks ng products. Kasi with the system na ginawa ng networking, sa system na from the manufacturer down to the user, retailers, or network builders, nagkaroon ng system na dumirect yung channeling, na wala na yung mga middleman. In effect, kapag ka ikaw, user ka, ang biro nga namin dito yung user, pwede maging pusher.
User,
Pwedeng maging pusher. Oo.
Okay.
User ka muna.
User ka muna.
User ka
Pag
muna.
nagustuhan mo, pag pinush mo, instead na ang kumikita yung mga retail store, ang kumikita yung mga middleman, lahat ng yun, sa'yo, ikaw ang kumikita. In
Dahil
effect,
lang.
kahit di malaking kapital mo, kumikita ka na malaki.
No. And you have the support of the main company.
Yes.
Of,
Yung supplier natin, which is very credible, very stable, a 45-year-old manufacturing plant in US called Nature's Way. Yung sinasabi ni John kanina na user-pusher, instead of a customer going to the store to inquire about a good product,
yes.
binaliktad namin. It's the store in a person that
Yes.
goes to the customer to tell about the product. Kaysa pumunta ka pa sa drugstore, magtanong ka, ano bang magandang mainom ko para lumakas ako? Eh yung mga distributor namin ang kakatukin ka sa bahay mo. O, Sir Arman, may product kami, maganda to para sa'yo. Ikukwente yung benefits ng product. So, binaliktad natin yung traditional concept, which makes it's so ingenious na yung concept na yun, na we've done away with many system. Hindi mo na kinakailangan ng accountant, hindi mo na kinakailangan ng mga manager.
Hindi ibig sabihin wala nun. Meron nagpo-provide sa'yo.
Meron
nun,
nun.
Yung AIM Global.
Para siyang franchising in a small manner.
right.
Nandun na lahat. Sa website mo, namomonitor mo yung kitaan, na may parang na-account yung mga volume at commission mo. And then, may mga marketing system kang ginagawa. Minimit mo yung grupo mo, minamotivate mo. Na meron din sa office. So, mas napabilis yung sistema ng pagbe-business.
Okay. Michelle, this is the first time you went into network marketing.
Yes, first time.
Ano yung initial challenges, difficulties? I'm sure it's not just an easy road, a big wide road provided for you. Yung una mong inimbita siguro, sinabihan ng produkto, umuo ba kagad?
Yes, kasi mother ko.
Mother mo,
Pinagbigyan lang.
Okay,
Pero nung na-try naman nila, okay na. Nag-start ako sharing the products dun sa mga relatives namin.
Okay.
Tapos, hanggang sa mga friends, hanggang yung iba, kahit hindi ko na nakilala ko lang sa Facebook. Dati may Friendster pa, ganun sa Yahoo. Yan.
Ano ang challenge? Ano yung tingin mong struggle as Mr. John mentioned? Anong masasabi mong baka makarelate yung mga young ones katulad mo?
Yes, kadalasan kasi pag narinig mo yung network marketing, katulad ako before, narinig ko network marketing, sinasabi ko sa nila, naku, sinasayang niyo lang yung pera nyo, yung oras nyo. Bakit di na lang tayo mag-aral ng mabuti para pag-graduate natin? Pasok na lang tayo sa isang magandang company. At least doon, stable or fixed yung income natin. Dito, mahirapan ka pa, ganun. So, nung start ako, ganun din yung sinasabi sa akin ng mga nasasharean ko. So, kung ano yung sinabi ko dun sa mga nag-invite sa akin, ganun din yung sinasabi sa akin. Pero nung time na yun, kasi student ako, napag-aralan ko ng network marketing. It's a business. Nagkaroon ako ng subject networking. So, nung time na yun, natututo ako kung paano siya i-explain na sa mga tao.
Ganitong kagaling ka ba, kakomportable magsalita noon? Are you talaga the sales person like? Yung aptitude mo ba talagang into selling?
Hindi po talaga. Though marketing po ang natapos ko, magaling lang ako talaga sa school. Yun. Sa school lang ako magaling, sa school lang ako parang bida-bida. Pero pag actual na, yung tipong, medyo yung real world na, parang nakakaba. Pero ang good thing dito sa AIM Global, hindi ka lang talaga kumikita ng malaki. Hindi lang natutupad yung mga gusto mo, nakukuha yung mga dreams mo. Pero dito, natututo ka yung personality development, which is yun yung pinaka-gusto ko dito. Na dati, na mahiyain, ngayon, medyo nabuild na yung confidence talaga.
Ano yung sinasabi niya dyan? Naintindihan ko yung sinabi niya. Pero I'm getting the sense na hindi lang doon sa product or sa selling kayo nagtuturo, sa training nyo.
Yes.
Can you expound?
Arman, idagdag ko lang doon sa sagot niya, bago sagutin yung question na yun. Nga pala, baka makalimutan ng mga viewers natin, si Michelle Go is magna cum laude yan.
Magna cum laude?
Yes, magna cum laude
you were running
graduate.
for honors noon, ha?
Yes.
Ako running from honors, palayo.
Palayo. Tapos, anak pa siya ng isang big-time businessman sa Caloocan.
Okay.
Yes. And at the same time, yung sinasabi niya, kasi more on rejections kasi yun eh. And yun ang struggle sa ganitong business. Nire-reject ka ng mga friends mo, mga common na...
Yun ang una mong iikutan no?
Correct.
Kaibigan, pamilya, and you get rejected.
You get rejected.
Did you experience being rejected?
Of course. Sa kanya baliktad. Mother niya nag-join or bumili as a support. Sa akin, hindi. Sabi sa akin ng mami ko, nung sinabi ko mag-join ako sa ganito, sabi sa akin, papatayin kita. Tinakot ako ha. Pero nung nagkakotse ako, ako naman ang pinakasikat. Ako naman ang bida. Ganun talaga mga magulang natin. Magugulang nga daw, sabi nila. Biro lang. Pero sa training na ginagawa namin, we teach our distributors kung paano sagutin itong mga rejections na to. And tinuturo namin sa kanila na part of this business yung ma-reject ka talaga. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao, una, interesado, or naiintindihan talaga yung business. And of course, minsan kasi may tinatawag kami yung apat na sikreto eh. Dapat right timing.
Okay.
Kasi minsan, wrong timing ka. Probably yung kinausap mo, busy, kakapromote lang, o may problema. Second, syempre dapat yung right words. Baka mamaya, mali yung mga sinasabi mo. Ayan. Pangatlo, syempre, right person. baka naman yung kinakausap mo wrong person din. Yan. And syempre, pinaka-importante sa lahat, yung tama yung dinadala mong business o tama yung dinadala mong kumpanya. Kasi kung mali din naman yung dinadala mo, may history na problema o pyramiding yan, o lalo yung may-ari, may history hindi maganda, definitely yung tao, mag-shun away sa'yo.
So, nabibigyan ng training yung mga pumapasok dun sa...
John focuses heavily on the training side.
On the training
Kaya yung ordinaryong tao, napapakapal namin yung muka, nabibigyan namin ng skills, ng talents on how to build network and how to sell our products. Yun yung focus ng department ni John. Na,
Alam mo, Doc, cut kita. Kasi madalas na nakikita yung mga story, mga nice stories. Of course, Michelle, this is not to belittle what you have accomplished. Hindi lahat nagmamagna cum laude. And coming from a good family. Kasi kadalasan sa network, yung networker o yung mga distributor, tricycle driver, nagtitinda sa palengke, hindi nakatapos, hindi magna cum laude, hindi coming from a good family. Hindi ko sila minamaliit. In fact, I'm really curious and sumasaludo sa kanila. And they earn millions. Is it because of the training?
yes.
How about the other companies?
They also have trainings. They also have trainings. Karamihan naman sa mga network marketing, may mga trainings. The good thing with our company that I can say, that I can proudly say, we have a training team. Na bukod sa aming mga may-ari, na almost 40 years or more than 40 years ang MLM experience, yung training team namin, ganun din. Na almost 40 years din ang MLM experience, na itong training team, walang ginagawa to, kundi umikot ng buong Pilipinas and at times some parts of the world para magturo sa tao on how to think like a networker, how to do a MLM business, ano ba dapat yung proper guidelines ko when I'm building my network. So every day may training doon sa office. Kaya yung mga untrained distributors, kapag umattend sila ng training, paglabas medyo alam na sumagot, na pag nireject, kahit nireject, hindi siya nani-negative, meaning motivated pa rin siya. And we teach them that rejection is part of the game. It's part
Ikaw
of,
rin, na-reject ka rin
yes,
before.
it's part of the business. Pag hindi ka na-reject, ibig sabihin, you're not in business.
Okay. Let's read some of the messages shared to us by our viewers who send it to 0917-853-7333. From Robert Tan of La Union, ask ko lang po kay Doc Ed if bakit hindi pareho ang price ng product ng AIM at Nature's Way, yung SRP ng Nature's Way ay mahal sa internet, pero pag sa store ka bibili in America ay mura lang dahil sa discount nila. Quick answer.
It's
Doc Ed.
true because yung product ng AIM Global is exclusively manufactured by Nature's Way.
Okay.
Because Nature's Way, being a 45-year-old manufacturing plant, they have around 800 product lines.
Okay.
So ang ginawa natin, nakipag-partner tayo sa kanila, and then gumawa sila ng product na hindi existing na product nila, exclusive para sa atin lang, na hindi makikita dun sa website ng Nature's Way.
Nature's Way. From Mr. Robles, pakibigay landline and cellphone number ng Alliance in Motion Global. Docket, I'll take the privilege. Yung telephone numbers nila, 706-0277 or 706-2301. From Mr. Baritwa, Sir, I am a distributor ng AIM Global. Ang ganda po ng products nila. Napaka-effective. From Andy of Las Piñas, mahirap din pumasok sa networking. Una sa lahat, malaki ang kapital na kailangan para makapag-start ka. Sir John, malaki ang kapital.
Well, sinasabing malaking kapital, basically siguro kasi wala talaga siyang kapital or
talagang pera.
wala talagang pera.
Dahil doon sa walang pera, miski na piso,
Correct.
mahal.
Malaki na yon para
Correct,
sa kanila. Pero kung ma-realize nila na soon, pag magbi-business ka, you will soon realize na napakalit pala ng kapital na to.
In one of my spying sa inyo, I heard you say, sa pagnenegosyo, yes, importante yung kapital, yung nilabas mong pera, pero dapat titingnan mo rin yung
Yung babalik.
yung babalik na
Correct.
pwedeng pumasok sa iyo. Right? From Khalid Kamid of Middle East, Sir Doc, Doc Ed, hanggang doon umaabot tayo. Yung mayaman dito, yung magaling mag-recruit at maraming na-recruit. I think before pumasok sa ganitong business, mag-investigate muna. You are correct. Kasi nakasalalay dito ang pera mo. Kahit makulong man ang may sala, swerte mo kung mabalik niya pera mo. Doc Ed, kumikita lang ba yung maraming ma-recruit o yung nauna doon sa network? Michelle, 2 years ka pa lang o 5 years of AIM Global's experience. Kasi 'di ba, common reaction nila, ang nauuna doon sa network company, yun yung kumikita.
Maraming sumali na nauna na hindi naman kumita.
Okay.
Because the simplest answer to that is, this is a business that you need to work out. Pag hindi mo tinrabaho yung business, kahit nauna ka pa, hindi rin to magpo-prosper. Okay, so, tama yung sinabi na dyan, na bukod dun sa product package na bibilin mo, kinakailangan mag-invest ka ng time, ng effort, umattend ka sa training, and you build your network and your customer base. So may mga tao dito, konti lang ang network, hindi magaling mag-recruit, pero maraming customer na bumibili sa kanya on a daily, on a weekly, on a monthly basis. Kumikita na siya ng substantial income.
Ma'am Michelle, you regularly attend these trainings?
Yes.
As in, hindi mo pinagsasawaan?
Ay, hindi po. Kahit paulit-ulit siya.
Pero various topics, Sir John, ang kino-cover nyo.
Yes, various topics. Products.
Sinabi niya kanina, piti daw personality.
Ano yun?
Piti daw personality.
Pati personality.
Pati
Personality,
Yes.
the personal development,
Correct.
the way they communicate.
Correct. Binabago namin yung level ng skills nila, the way they think, pati pananamit. and
Power dressing.
Power dressing, correct.
Okay. From Elena, I'm interested to be a member sa Alliance in Motion Global. Ask ko lang how to join. We will answer that in a while. From Corina de Guzman of Hong Kong, ano ang garantiya sa networking sa mga sumasali rito? Kapag nasa una, okay ka, pero paano naman ang huling sumasali? Yun yung sinabi mo kanina, Doc
Nasagot
Ed,
na
ano?
natin yan.
Hindi yan yung unahan.
Una-unahan.
Okay.
It's a matter of working the business out.
You have to work the business. Naalala mo yung unang tanong noon, yung last year, pantamad daw yung networking. Definitely, it's not true. Ano? Dahil pag tamad ka, wala ka rin kikitain.
Correct.
Okay. From Alan of Bulacan, paano po ba mag-enroll ng networking at paano po kung wala pa pong pera? Wala pa pong sapat na pera. Sagutin natin, Sir John. I'll put you into a challenge. Pag wala pa raw silang pera, gusto nilang sumali.
Well, ang tinuturo namin dyan, kapag wala kang pera, una, pwede mo gawing part-time to. At the same time, pwede ka muna mag-retailing. Benta-benta ka muna ng produkto para pag nabuo mo o naipon mo, pwede mo pang-join.
Okay. From Choi Aguilar, how can you guarantee that you won't end up like those networking pyramiding scams, Doc Ed?
We've been existing for the past 5 years.
5 years.
Paying out on a daily basis. We partnered with one of the best and multi-billion-dollar manufacturing company. And this is the time and the years to come na nag-expand kami. So for the past 5 years, we're present in the Philippines, Singapore, and Brunei. And this year, we're gonna open Taiwan, Malaysia, Hawaii, and Europe. When I say Europe, mga 2 to 3 countries in Europe. So if you're gonna study and research our company, nakikita mo, progressive.
Right.
Hindi yung sa Pilipinas lang na mukhang may problema, no. We're going out of the country, pero lumalakas pa rin yung base natin dito sa Pilipinas.
Ito, bagay sa ito, Doc Ed. From Colonel Casanyas, can you make prescription to the patient insofar as your product is concerned? Siguro, iniinom mo ba yung produkto nyo?
Yes, I myself take the product. My wife, who happens to be a doctor, also takes the product. We have a lot of doctors na distributors na umiinom ng product at pine-prescribe din sa kanilang mga pasyente.
Anong favorite? Marami kayong products,
Yes.
Ma'am Michelle. Anong paboritong product nyo or best-selling product nyo?
C24/7.
24/7.
Yes.
Kayo, you take it?
Yes.
You take it?
Every day.
Every day.
Faithfully.
Okay. So talagang tinatangkilik. Because you become the
product of your
endorser,
product.
di ba?
Yes.
Ano ulit yung Doc Ed? You are the?
You're the endorser of your product.
You're
Or the
endorser.
product of your own product.
You're the product of your own product. Okay. From Angelito Alauriza of Mandaluyong, hi, just wondering, are you a binary company or multi-level marketing? Ano yung sabihin niya kaya?
Well, katulad ng sinabi ko, minix namin yung marketing plan ng different companies. Yung advantage ng mga different multi-level marketing companies, pinagsama-sama namin into one system. So, yes, that's correct. Binary kami. Pero yung traditional binary kasi, pag pinag-aralan mo, kaya tinatawag tong pyramiding. Kasi hanggat sumasali yung mga tao, kumikita ka. But the question is, paano kung hindi mo balanse or walang sumasali?
Okay.
Yan. Dito sa system ng binary namin, kaya namin tinatawag itong matching. Minamatch namin yung sales. Meaning, pwede yung isang side mo, malakas mag-imbita. Pero yung kabilang side mo, mahina mag-imbita.
Okay.
But din ang tao kasi iba-iba eh. May malakas magbenta, may malakas gumamit, may malakas naman mag-imbita ng tao. Dito, pwede mong pagsamahin o pwede mong i-match yung benta ng mga tao sa pag-join ng mga tao. Nakuha mo
So
yung difference.
nire-reward mo yung pagpasok ng tao at pagbili ng produkto.
Correct, nag-match pa rin yun. So may
yung
points.
iba, tao sa pag-recruit lang, kaya nagiging pyramiding.
Yes.
Okay.
Also, Arman, yung tanong nila medyo, if you want to categorize it, the whole industry is called multi-level marketing.
Right.
Binary is just a plan. Among the multi-level marketing, may binary plan, may unilevel plan, may stair-step plan. So lahat yan, puro multi-level yan.
Okay.
Kasi pag sinabi multi-level, maraming level. Kaya nga multi-level. Binary is a plan na maraming level din. Unilevel is a plan na maraming level. Stair-step is a plan na maraming level. Sa Alliance in Motion Global, lahat nung tatlong marketing plan, binary, unilevel, stair-step, pinagsama-sama namin under the multi-level marketing industry.
Okay. There are questions from Cheng of Cotabato, Rudy Labis of Cagayan de Oro, Hermie of Manila, all asking about the address and paano sumali sa Alliance in Motion Global. There are questions from Cagayan de Oro and from Archie asking about the product. We will just pause for a short break. When we come back, we will talk about Alliance in Motion, where they are, and the products that they are pushing, as John Asperin said. We will pause for a short break. Please continue to send your questions or your opinion to 0917-853-7333.